Having trouble with mobile data, calls, or text messages on your Android phone? In this quick 2D26 guide, I'll show you how to reset your mobile network settings step by step. It's a simple fix that can resolve many common network issues in just a few minutes. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel, then tapping the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap General Management. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, this option may also be called System or Additional Settings. Inside the menu, scroll down and tap Reset to view the available reset options. Here, select Reset Mobile Network Settings. This option resets your cellular network configuration while leaving your personal data untouched. If your phone has two SIM cards installed, you'll be asked to choose which SIM you want to reset. Select SIM 1 or SIM 2 depending on the network you're having issues with. After selecting the SIM, tap Reset Settings. For security purposes, your phone will ask you to verify your identity by entering your PIN, password, or unlock pattern. Once authenticated, tap Reset again to confirm. The reset usually takes only a few seconds. After it's complete, your phone will automatically reconnect to your mobile network. If it doesn't reconnect immediately, simply restart your device or enable and disable airplane mode once. This reset can help fix problems such as weak signal strength, mobile data not working, failed calls, delayed text messages, or network registration errors. If the issue continues after resetting the settings, make sure your SIM card is properly inserted, check for carrier outages, or contact your mobile service provider for additional support. I hope this guide solved your network issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.